Hello everyone, welcome to the You Try It channel. This is Amy Tong. Today, I have a super easy and scrumptious recipe to share with you. This cake is packed with decadent dark chocolate and refreshing orange flavors. The texture of the cake is tender and moist. The chocolate shell on top is nice and crunchy for a contrast of texture. This cake might look fancy, but it's actually quite easy to make. Follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to make this chocolate orange Bundt cake. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a 10-inch Bundt pan with cooking spray. And don't forget to grease the sides of the tube in the middle as well. Set the pan aside for now while we work on the cake batter. In the bowl of the stand mixer, add in 3/4 of a cup of whole milk, 3 large eggs, 1/3 cup of orange marmalade. You can use store-bought or homemade ones. I'll list the recipe link for the homemade orange marmalade below this video for your reference. Followed by a 1/4 cup of orange liqueur, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and the zest of half an orange. Reserve the remaining orange zest to garnish the cake later on. Start your mixer on low. Increase the medium speed and beat the ingredients for 1 minute. Instead of a stand mixer, you can also prepare this recipe with a handheld mixer. Stop your stand mixer and here comes the secret ingredient. It's a 15.25 ounce boxed devil food cake mix. With all the ingredients you add to jazz up this cake, it tastes so good that you won't even tell it's from a cake mix. I'll leave it up to you if you want to reveal your secret ingredients. Start your mixer on low speed and increase it to medium speed and beat for 1 minute. Scrape the sides of the bowl to make sure all your ingredients are well incorporated. Beat for a final 10 seconds and your batter is all done. Transfer the batter to the prepared Bundt pan and smooth the top slightly. Bake the cake in the preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick insert and comes out clean. Cool the cake on a wire rack for 15 minutes before unmolding. After 15 minutes of cooling, cover your cake with a piece of cake board or a serving plate. Since your cake pan is still hot, make sure you wear your heat-proof oven mitts for this step. Carefully invert your cake. Remove the cake pan. Ta-da! Let the cake cool down completely while we prepare the chocolate crust. Here I have 3/4 of a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, along with 1 tablespoon of butter. Heat the mixture in the microwave for 20 seconds. Give it a good stir and heat in the microwave for another 20 seconds. Stir well and make sure the chocolate chips are all melted. When the cake is completely cool, drizzle the chocolate glaze on top. Since the chocolate glaze is quite thick, you may want to use the back of the spoon to help push down some of the chocolate. Next, garnish the cake with the remaining orange zest. Last but not least, add a few edible gold leaves for an elegant touch. At this point, the chocolate glaze is still soft. Chill the cake in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour to harden up the chocolate crust. As I promised, this chocolate orange Bundt cake is super easy to prepare. This cake is decadent and also very refreshing as well. I'll list the link of the ingredients and tool that I use for this recipe below this video for your reference. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and will give this recipe a try real soon. Before you go, please remember to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I bake up something fresh. And remember, eat, drink, and be happy. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all next week.